All right, today we're talking about the Pythagorean theorem and its converse. So, if the lengths of any two sides of a right triangle are known, then the length of the third side can be found using the Pythagorean theorem. It's one of my favorite theorems, and I know it's one of yours, so we're going to use that today, and it's going to be awesome. So, if the lengths of all sides are known, we can also determine whether the triangle is acute, right, or obtuse. So the Pythagorean theorem. So this is theorem 8.1. So if a triangle is a right triangle, then the sum of the squares of the lengths of the legs is equal to the square of the length of the hypotenuse. So you might see this as c squared equals a squared plus b squared, or you may have heard it said a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And one thing to note is c is always going to be the hypotenuse, and it doesn't matter which leg we call A or which one we call B, but they're both going to end up being legs, and those squared added together has to be equal to the hypotenuse squared.